You know, I'm there in the studio, I edit some video, and you know, I'm just a vibe out, and I just want to sing a song, you know, for everybody out there. I then go like this. In the beginning, according to the old book says, there was nothing. And then a great spirit came down and said, let there be. And there was. That's how it all began. Yeah. Yet still we ask, where did the universe come from? Everything in existence, from the sky to the depths of the ocean, every surf, every color, every victim, every sound and every vibration, this whole earth, this solar system, everything you hold so sacred. By the hands of love, it was created, and I know love. Yeah. Lifted me, and I know Jaja, yeah. Set me free. Love breaks the chains. Set the captive free. Love breaks the chains. Yeah. Set the captive free. Da. Mad enough. Represent. Careful.